But usually, some of the people are forgetting about our roots, our culture, and our rishis, our shastras. But now, wise people, as we are all wise people, we give importance to Atmavijja, right? How many of you are interested to give importance to the Atmavijja from today onwards? We let us take out some time in our life for the Atmavijja. That is meditation. Okay, friends? So we'll learn more about it. And now I hand over to. So, okay. Okay, very good. Okay. So, sir wants to present one amazing research. His 40 plus years of research. My research is how to meditate without any thoughts. I created with less thoughts. Okay, I created golden formula meditation. YouTube, you will get it. You can get it. You open it and keep it, and you meditate every day, 20-30 minutes. You will be having less thoughts. Okay, that is my research. 20 years of research. I understood the Maya, how the Maya is affecting our mind. In these 20 years, I understood clearly. I was able to hear clearly the Maya, how it is affecting my mind. So like that, sir did research in the music, research with Shiva. Okay, and he created certain song for Shiva, and we'll be meditating with the song. And anyone knows dance here? Anyone dances here? At least bathroom dancing also fine. Anything, no need to out. Okay, the dancers, any dancers, anyone? You can feel like whenever you feel like dancing, dance also. Okay, fine. And observing the breath, right? The meditation. Anyone felt when sir is saying Rama Rameti, that saying at the time good vibrations? Anybody? How many of you felt good vibrations? At the time, if you are feeling good vibrations anytime, if you observe the vibrations, that's also meditation. That's better meditation. If you observe the breath, because everybody has the breath, everyone can observe the breath. That's the reason we tell that observe the breath. But anybody can observe the vibrations, energies, then observe the vibration. Anybody can observe the bliss, ananda, then observe the ananda. These are the higher, better meditations. Next levels of meditations. Okay, because bliss is our original self. Quality is bliss. That's highest. But vibration, energy is also amazing. Yadevi sarvabhutanam shakti rupena samastite. So, Devi is there inside us through the energy. And Devi dances. Although sometimes if you can close your eyes without moving your body also fine. In this song, we give exception. If you wanted to move your hands and feel the energies or dance also fine. Okay, no? Because this song got so much energy. Sometimes you cannot sit. You wanted to dance. Shiva also meditates and do the Ananda Tandava. Right? After so much meditation, a lot of energies he'll be doing dance also. So this song is like that. You can dance also, otherwise you can meditate, otherwise you can open your hands and otherwise see the song also. Anything, whatever, feel free to do. Okay, na? Okay, friends. Over to people.